Hi, my name is Yuki Sugahara. This is Week 3 Journal. We need to fuel ourselves by nutrients to sustain our lives. Carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water are essential nutrients. The reason why they are called essential nutrients is that they cannot be made by the body, and they must be supplied through the diet. Although some fibers are carbohydrates, fiber is not an essential nutrient. Yet fiber is an important part of healthy diet. High-fiber diet normalizes bowel movements, helps maintain bowel health, lowers cholesterol levels, helps control blood sugar levels, and helps achieve healthy weight. Carbohydrates, protein, and fat are energy nutrients because they provide calories to the body to regulate chemical processes. Vitamins play important roles in bodily functions such as metabolism, immunity, and digestion. There are 13 essential vitamins. Water is not a nutrient, but is part of a healthy diet. Water makes up more than 2/3 of the human body. All the cells and organs need water to function. The food tracker gave me the allowance of 2,200 calories per day based on my activity level, height, and weight. Considering that I had to attend a birthday lunch for my friend on the day I kept the record of the food tracker, I think that I ate pretty well. According to the food tracker, I had 104% of target for vegetable and 63% of refined carbohydrate. Vegetables contain various vitamins, especially when eaten raw. This day I ate most of my vegetables raw, so it was very good. But I had too much protein. It was 245% of target amount. I did not choose lean meat, so saturated fat intake went over the limit by 15 grams. Surprisingly, total oil intake was within the limit, although saturated fat intake went over the limit. Maybe it is because I only had steamed clams for dinner. I was so full from the big lunch that I could not eat much dinner. Fruits intake was 28%, and it was way below target. Dairy intake was 77%, so almost there. I was surprised to see refined carbohydrate intake was 63%. I usually eat too much carbohydrate since I love rice, bread, and pasta. However, this day I consciously avoided rice and noodle at the lunch party because I wanted to eat birthday cake. So on that day, I consumed 2,449 calories, which is about 250 calories over the allowance. The problems were the empty calories and sodium intake. 832 calories came from the empty calories, and they are mainly from the white bread and the birthday cake. High sodium intake is from eating out. I cannot control how much salt I put in when I eat out. The excess calories alone could lead to weight gain if I eat like this every day. If I continue to have high saturated fat, sugar, and sodium in my daily diet, I may increase the risk of getting chronic diseases such as heart disease, hypertension, and diabetes. I can improve my diet by eating more fresh fruits instead of cake or other sweets. Sweetness of the fruits should somewhat satisfy my craving for sweets. This way, I can decrease the amount of empty calories and increase vitamins and fiber intake. Another way to improve my diet is to make a better decision when I eat out. For example, I should choose simply grilled lean meat instead of short ribs marinated in tangy and sweet sauce and cooked in that sauce. This way, I can avoid unknown amount of sugar and sodium in the dish and too much saturated fat intake. Another thing I can do is to add yogurt and fruits for my breakfast. This way I can increase my dairy and fruit intake. Thank you.